Greetings everyone and welcome. Thank you for joining us for the Winter Open House. I'm Mount Allison's President and Vice-Chancellor, your future President and Vice-Chancellor, Dr. Ian Sutherland. I know that you're going to have an absolutely fantastic day today, learning all there is to learn about Mount Allison, our academics, financial aid, residence life, the joys of being a student at this phenomenal university. I also want to give you a reminder that tomorrow, March 1st, is the deadline to apply for scholarships and our 25 and 2025 giveaway. Let me tell you a little bit about the 25 and 25 giveaway. This year, Mount Allison has been named for the 25th time the very best undergraduate university in Canada. And to celebrate that, we've got a giveaway package coming out, a number of prizes that you'll be entered into when you apply for admission to Mount Allison. They include a MacBook, they include residence rooms, they include tuition for the 25-26 year. So make sure you get your applications in for that. I wish you all the very best for today and good luck.
Hi everyone, I'm Jonah, the Director of Admissions here at Mount Allison University. We are thrilled to welcome you today. I'm joined by some of the fantastic admissions counselors and campus ambassadors who've been helping you over this last year. Visiting campus is such an important part of this journey that you're on, and we're so happy that you're spending the day with us today. We hope that we'll answer all of your questions and show you everything that you'd like to see. Don't forget to visit the campus bookstore at the end of the day. It's in the Student Center, and you can pick up some great Mount A gear. Enjoy the open house, and thank you for coming.